In this green spray bottle contains my secret weapon. What's inside it I use for cleaning around the house, disinfecting, cooking, and most importantly, I use it for my succulents. I use it for treating mold, aphids. There's a bit of mealybug in there, that white fluffy bit. And I also use this for killing mealybugs. Hello there, my name is Liz, a self-confessed succulent addict. Welcome to my channel, Growing Succulents. This is a warning. Incorrect ratio or usage will result in your succulents burning. So this was sprayed with 100%. You can see that it's still alive. So eventually the plant will outgrow the scarring that it has experienced. And also on the side here, the new one. So this little baby got sprayed a little bit with 100% of this solution. You can see that it has recovered, and also new babies has formed. So I advise that always do a test. Don't spray it all at once in one go in your plants. And if your ratio is incorrect, then this can result in your plants burning. Welcome to my very messy stone cutting workshop. It's not very messy. This is called organized chaos. So right now we are going to mix up my solution. So this solution is my secret weapon in dealing with mold, fungus, mealybug. Anyway, what I'm using is methylated spirits. So this one I've been using methylated spirit. Here in Australia we call it METHO for short. So I've been using METHO for decades now, mainly for cleaning and also for cooking. Today I'm going to show you my combination or my mixture of the solution that I use. So it says 75% METHO on this spray bottle here, and I'm just going to put the funnel here and I'm going to open this. So this one, it says methylated spirits, product used for window cleaning, general cleaner, disinfectant, sanitizer. But we're not making that. We're making our solution for our mold, fungus, and mildew, and all sorts of little nasty stuff that's bad for our succulents. So I'm going to take a 1/4 cup of water and we're going to pour it into my container here. And I'm going to get 1 cup of METHO because I'm going to be needing a fair bit. We're going to pour. That's good enough for now. And also, this is ideal for cleaning up, marker, pen, whatever. Come on, here, there. Now you see it. Now you almost don't. Okay, so I've got, messy in here because I've been recycling my labels for my plants that you see there. And I got my METHO container solution thingy here. And that's what I've been, labels for my succulents. But anyway, so now this one, I'm going to close this off and shake this all up. So shake, 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 and that's it. And you're ready to go. This is now a day later. After I sprayed this plant that has aphids in it, the aphids have dried up. And some of them that is still alive have actually tried to move away from the hot zone where the spray was, or where it was being sprayed. So you can see that aphids down in the bottom, they're the big ones. So it's trying to move away from the group of aphids here that are drying out. So just to make sure that they do go away, but you don't want them to go away. You want them to die. Sorry, aphids. So a couple of sprays, so for the next day, until they completely dry out. So that skinny aphids there in the corner, that's the one, that's what it looks like when they dry up. This Graptovaria amethiorum has got some little white stuff down in the bottom leaf and also in the center of it. This plant is loved by mealybug. So what I like to do is also spray the plant. The beauty of this solution is that you don't have to worry about the temperature, whether it's hot or cold. You can spray it at any time of the day. The minute you see some infections or pests, mealybugs and such, then you spray that. So this one has got a little bit of rot in the corner there for the babies. The babies are more susceptible to mealybug and rotting. So you can spray this directly, even this one here. This Citorum Victor I have grown from a leaf, and I can see signs of mealybug. So there's one big white mealybug there. That's a mealybug. So I'm going to spray that. And if sometimes you find some mealybug on the roots, infesting the roots of your succulent as well, this is safe to use on the roots. Just saturate the soil and check the next day if there's any more mealybugs, so you can uproot the plant if you have to. Say for example, if I see signs of mealybug in the bottom of the roots there, then I just spray them and saturate the soil. And a lot of times I have to repeat it a couple of times because a lot of them can hide in the soil and doesn't get hit by our solution. So even this avocado, Chevria avocado cream, I'm seeing signs. This is loved by mealybug as well. Well, in my care anyway. So the roots are showing, and sometimes the mealybug can hide in the roots. Spray, spray. These ones here are leaf propagation or baby leaves that I have been trying to grow. And look, signs of mealybugs. So that white fluffy bit is a mealybug, and this one here on my hyalium, that's oh look, mealybug. Look at that. That's mealybug as well. So what I like to do is spray the lot and turn it over just to check. See, look, this mealybug. Look at that. That's a big one. So turn it over just to make sure that there's no mealybug hiding under the leaves. And look, see right in the center of this one here, see those white bits there? That's still mealybug. And this one's got mealybug and aphids. I just sprayed an aphid, and look, mealybug. Oops, that's a big one as well. And look, all of them, they're all infected here. Spray, spray. Now turn it over, just making sure that you cover the lot, or else you will have to do this all over again. And these ones are not growing any pups, but that's got a mealybug in there as well. But I'll spray this just to show you that the roots are not affected at all. So it's safe to use on the roots of your mealybug. I mean, of your plant. Not, yes, it will kill the roots of the mealybug too, if they have one. And this one's as well. This is my Ellen. Do you have mealybug as well? I'll just check. Oops, I pull off the... So just to make sure, just to be absolutely certain, I'm going to spray the whole lot as well. Just to stop the infestation. Or if there's any in there that I can't see, they'll be all dead. Now my fungus and powdery mildew, this is actually, looks like powdery mildew here. I will do a separate video for this, how to remove this and save these plants. But to start off with, you need to spray the top, because you have to kill the top surface of the fungus or mold or mildew or whatever nasties that are on top. Cover the whole lot. so that when I do clean it up, so that basically to stop the spores from being blown by the wind, because the wind can blow the spores of this mold and mildew onto your other plants that are over there, or my other plants, and that would be a disaster. So just spray the whole lot for now. That sort of stops them. And I will do the next video, well, the next 2 videos of how to remove root rot on small plants, and how to remove or how to process all of this, because this is gonna take quite a while. Look at that, all that mold. Look at that, oh, nasty. What else can I spray? Sedum clavatum, do you need a spray? No, you don't. You haven't got anything, but I'll just give you a spray too. Make you smell nicer.